Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to install Tor on Linux. The first thing we will do is open the terminal. Then we will download the latest version of Tor with the syntax that we show you and that you can copy in description. We list the contents of the folder with ls to validate the installation. We clean the screen with the command clear. Then we are going to decompress the file with the syntax that we see of the tar command and where we will have to put the name of the file that appears in the previous list. The next thing will be to access the Tor directory with the command we see from cd. We relist the content with the command ls. Finally, we start Tor with the syntax that we show you on the screen. After that, we will see that Tor will open. We will click on Connect to establish the connection and have access to the browser that we have installed. If you want to create a shortcut, you can use the touch command as we show you. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Run the following command using the sudo password to continue the process. Then open a text editor and put the text that we show you and that you can copy in description. Finally, make your changes with Ctrl+O and close the Ctrl+X editor. If we now go to the location of the shortcut, we can open Tor by double-clicking on it. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.